Have you ever noticed that some people seem to get that hybrid battery that lasts the lifetime of a healthy oak hidden deep in the forest, while others seem to get that hybrid battery that has the lifespan of a confused squirrel on the Ventura Freeway during rush hour traffic? While these 5 tips may not grow an oak tree in your car, they sure will be better than a rabid squirrel under your back seat. Tip number 5. I've downloaded the Dr. Prius app onto my phone. And the Dr. Prius app gives me a lot more information about the hybrid battery than either the display or any of the code scanners that I have, whether there are any codes or not. This is very helpful when I want to see if my efforts to maintain my hybrid battery are working. I have lots of different dongles, scanners, and code readers. I will put a link in the description of this video for the dongle that I use with the Dr. Prius app, because not all dongles will work with the Dr. Prius app. Heat isn't just an enemy of an ICE engine, transmission, and many other systems in your car. Because the hybrid battery is actually inside the interior of your car, it can be subjected to severe heat when parked in the sun with all the windows up. Even though the HV battery pack is not as vulnerable as a pet left in the car with no air conditioning, it's not as invulnerable to the heat as Superman either. Something as cheap and simple as installing these side window rain guards could allow you to leave the windows cracked. With these installed, I can leave my windows cracked, allowing the heat to escape without letting rain in the car. This prevents the greenhouse effect that could steal life from the battery. Tip number 3. Keep the filter and fan clean. This is important maintenance that can make a big difference in the lifespan of your battery. I will put a link in the description of this video showing how I clean the hybrid battery fan. Check the bus bars once a year for corrosion and have them replaced with the updated nickel-plated bus bars, like the ones I have a link to in the description of this video. Corroded battery bus bars can cause resistance, heating up the connection right on the battery module. It can also set a code and trigger the Triangle of Doom. Tip number 1, and stay tuned for a bonus tip. Don't leave your hybrid sitting for more than a month without driving it up and down a couple of hills. The downhill run is when the hybrid battery receives the most charge. Think of this as healthy exercise for your hybrid system. If you only had to exercise your body once a month, that would be way easier than 3 to 5 times a week, right? Bonus tip. Study and get educated about your hybrid. Congratulations! You're already doing this by watching this video. You're awesome. Keep up the great work. I will put a link to my hybrid repair playlist on the screen so you can learn more. Another good resource is our saintauto.com website, the Saint Auto Facebook page, and priuschat.com. I will put helpful links to all of these and more in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments how many miles you have on your hybrid battery so far, and come back later to let us know what steps you took and how many more miles you achieved with your hybrid. And if you want to find more of my videos, you can either click on this one here to see my playlist, or you could subscribe to the channel. Or if you really want to be able to find this particular video again, you could share it to a friend, and then when you want to find the video, you just go back and look at the link where you shared it to your friend and click on it, and it'll pull this video back up. Until next week, get off the couch, get dirty.